Welcome back to the Buck Stops Here. It's time now for a very special guest. He's the man who's promised to usher in an education revolution. Easily one of the best performing ministers in the UPA government, Kapil Sibal. The man who's promised to give us an education that doesn't feel traumatic, that feels like fun. And he's our newsmaker tonight. Welcome to the studio, Kapil. Always a pleasure to have you on. 100 days in government. Must be a sense of satisfaction, even though some have said Kapil Sibal's a bit overzealous.
No, it's not a question of satisfaction or grief. There's a job to be done and we're going to do the job and we'll, continue doing the job for as long as it takes.
But when you stepped into the HRD ministry, was there a sense that a lot of time had been wasted in this all-important ministry, that maybe for 10 years, and this is what a lot of people would believe, nothing had moved, that we were trapped in some archaic system of education?
No, I'm not going to comment on any of that. The fact is that when I got into the job, I thought that things should be done in a certain way. I took the ministry on board, they all agreed with me, and we've moved forward together. I'm not going to look at the past, I just want to look at the future and see what we can do as soon as we can.
But it was clear that you were, in a sense, a man in a hurry. You didn't want to waste even a second.
No, it's not a question of man in a hurry. There's things that we could have done long time ago because the recommendations were there, the expert committees were there, and and just that had to be implemented. And why should you, if you have to implement something, why should you waste time?
Okay, let's look at your most talked about reform, which is making class 10 board exams optional.
That's the least.
Why? It's the one that's got the imagination of everybody who had to suffer those darned exams, for sure. Why are you calling it the least?
The least because
you don't think it's the centerpiece of your reform program?
No, there are far more momentous changes that are going to come. And class 10 is a procedural reform. There are substantive reforms in terms of curriculum, the national curriculum framework, content of education, how to make education more interesting, how to make it fun, how to sort of excite children's minds so that they actually move beyond the classroom. Those are the more important things.
But you've heard some of the reservations on the class 10 board exams being optional. Some people suggest that it's going to take away the competitive edge that Indians have always had traditionally.
That's not true. Everybody will get his grades and his percentiles. So I don't see how that will be impacted.
Because people talk about the need for a competitive standard to create a kind of egalitarianism. That today, whether you're a rich kid or you're from a slightly more modest background, the class 10 board exam used to be a leveler. In a sense.
Well, it's a leveler still because you will get grades. Somebody will get A+, somebody will get A, somebody will get B+. So you'll know where you stand. And if you want within A, how do you stand in the class? You'll get your percentile.
Why did you...
Tubar.com